大家好，我是麦克老师。我今天要跟大家聊聊中美国董方面的差异。回来了。Oh my gosh! We'll open this window. It's freezing in here. 哎呦。Oh, much better. Okay, let's get back to work. 哦呀，回来了。哎，门怎么关着呢？我们要通风 ，you know？ 哎。OK， 继续工作。So when I walk inside a building during the winter, I hope it is nice and warm and comfortable. I live in Shanghai, so it's in the south, and people usually tell me to 多穿一点衣服，多穿一点就可以了。Wear more clothes, or 英语可以说 wear more layers. 比如说秋裤，那秋裤用英语怎么说？应该是 autumn pants， 对吧？ Autumn 是秋天，为什么不是冬裤 winter pants？ 其实这两个单词都错的。英语可以说 thermal underwear 或者 long underwear 或者我最喜欢的 long johns。 What do you feel about 秋裤? Yes or no?
Absolutely. You gotta wear them. Shanghai's so cold. Shanghai's colder than Beijing, actually. In Beijing, it's dry. You get warm the second you walk inside. In Shanghai, you're always cold.
How long did it take before you embraced the 秋裤?
Maybe 5 or 6 years. I was reluctant.
I love it. This helps me to survive the winter here in Shanghai.
Do you wear it in France?
No, only in Shanghai. I think it's very different. The cold is humid and just come into your body. In France, it's just like warm cold. So I don't need them in France.
I do. Really? I started wearing them.
Why?
Because I ride my scooter here, and but I didn't wear them for the first 5-6 years in China. What? And then I wore them once about 3 years ago and found out they were just amazing.
I don't have long johns. I just wear layers that I can easily take off and put on. Yeah.
I also don't wear long johns.
Choco is a must-have when it gets negative, but when the temperature is still positive, you got to hold off on the choco. Yeah.
Okay, so right now it's 5 degrees. Do you have choco on right now?
Definitely no, and I'm willing to prove it.
Okay, prove it.
No choco.
Wow. Yeah. Well done, well done. I don't like to wear choco. 都不习惯了. And even though where I come from in the United States, 就是我老家是明尼苏达州，比上海冷多了，非常冷。但是我在明尼苏达的时候一直不穿秋裤吧。Because when I go inside, most of the places have very, very strong heating systems. Like in northern China, they have the 暖气, the radiators or the radiant heat. 所以我在这里就是买了一个油丁，就是一个 oil radiator. 我很喜欢用油丁，有可能我应该搬到东北去吧？怎么样？不要，我很喜欢上海。So how do you stay warm in Shanghai compared to France?
I open up the heater, try to keep the heater on every day, and drink a lot of hot water.
What kind of heater? Like 空调?
Both 空调 and electrical appliance.
Keep moving.
Keep moving.
And drink coffee. We use the space heater or the floor radiators that you plug into the wall.
I'm from an African country, and the highest we got is about 34 degrees, and the lowest is around 20. What? Wow. So we never had to experience winter.
For me, staying warm in Shanghai is a real strategic choice. It is about holding off the temptation to put more layers on early in the winter so that you always have the opportunity to take things to the next level when things get really cold.
那你在想，麦克老师，如果你一直喜欢暖和的那个房间，为什么不开空调？也会开了，但是很多中国朋友，包括我老婆，感觉对你身体不是特别好。我非常无所谓了，我感觉睡觉也可以开，舒服就是最重要的。那空调用英语怎么说？应该是 air conditioner， 对吧？ 没错，但是在美国，我们空调没有热风的那功能。在美国，我们空调只能在夏天用的 ，make you cooler. In the winter, you just need to say it's a heater. 哦，车子来了，等一下。So if it's really cold and it's in the winter, and you ask your American friend to turn on the air conditioner, 这个会听起来很奇怪 because we only use it for cooling off, not heating.
How do you feel about sleeping with the 空调 on?
Usually I keep the 空调 on for the first couple of hours, and then I turn it off.
Not at night. We use space heaters.
Okay.
Because that hot wind is just drives you out.
Okay. I disagree, but we'll agree to disagree.
All right.
Half of the time on, but I'm using those heaters now inside my room. So yeah.
Okay.
The Kongtao, yeah, I don't know about that.
那美国人到底怎么保暖？我老家的暖气有点不一样，是一种煤气炉。Hello，Hello，拜拜。可爱的小朋友。那我们煤气炉就是旁边有一个排风器，然后煤气炉就是不是烧，就是让那个旁边的空气热一点，然后排风器就排那个风到风管，通过风管到我们家里各个地方、各个房间，然后这样会很暖。因为在美国煤气是比较便宜的，所以我们一般用的是煤气。煤气对我们环境也不是特别好，但是比煤炭还好吧。So how do I stay warm in China? Very easy. 电热毯, electric blanket. It's my favorite thing. I turn it on a little bit before I go to bed. Get in bed and it's so warm. 偶尔可以开空调和油顶，没有问题。但是一般的话不要太浪费电了。但是问题就是冬天来了，很多人都会感冒了。感冒用英语怎么说？就是 you catch a cold. I caught a cold. 如果是那种黄痰的那个东西，黄痰就是 mucus， 就是 I caught a cold。但是如果你肚子有点不舒服，或者你要呕吐的那种感觉，那就是 the flu. You caught the flu. 所以我希望大家都可以注意身体哦。
All right, what do you do when you're 感冒?
Actually, it's very timely because 现在我有点感冒. So I usually don't take medicine, drink lots of hot water with lemon, and maybe take some of those candies from the cough lozenge kind of candies from the convenience store. Don't go to the hospital unless things get a bit serious a few days later.
Drink hot fluids, eat oranges. I drink vitamin C, this thing called emergency.
Vitamin C is very important.
Then at night I drink whiskey. Keeps me nice and warm.
I rest, I sleep, and I maybe go to the doctor.
Drink a lot of water, hot water, and sleep.
Hot water. What else? Ginger tea.
Take care of yourself, don't get sick, and don't spend too much time inside because more time we spend inside and not going outside even when it's cold, actually your chances of getting sick are higher because sick people go inside and they're always together and they just make everyone sick. So 大家注意身体。Go outside and walk around a little bit. It's good for your health. 而且你不要感染或者传染给别人你的感冒的那个病。Don't want to infect anybody because if you are 感冒, you are contagious. 所以大家注意身体一点啊。And even though you open the window in the winter to 通风, to ventilate, okay, we want to ventilate your apartment, even though it is cold. It's a good way to get the air out.
How do you feel about opening the windows in the wintertime to 通风?
I don't really do that.
Why not?
Because it's cold.
And it's hard to compare as we do not have such cold temperatures back home, but we do let the windows open often to air the house since we do not really have air conditioning. Yeah.
No, I still do it. Yeah, I just let it like 2 minutes and I just close it as soon as I open it.
Even in France too?
In France too, yes.
Yeah, I brief my IE clearly to do that when she comes in once a week.
那我就聊到这里，希望大家这个冬天会注意身体，多穿衣服 ，Be healthy. I will see you next time. 我是麦克老师，下次再见。